Best walking shoes. Are you looking for the best walking shoes? In this video we will look at some of the best walking shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Altra Experience Flow 2. Who it's best for? The Altra Experience Flow 2 is perfect for anyone looking for a shoe that combines stability, comfort, and effortless wearability. If you want a pair you can slip on and move through your day without worrying about discomfort, this is it. Its signature low 4mm heel-to-toe drop and spacious toe box encourage natural foot movement, allowing your feet to step freely without restriction. The responsive EGO-P35 midsole foam adds energy to every stride, making long walks, casual strolls, or easy hikes feel lighter and more enjoyable. Tester Arthur McMahon raved, "These Altra shoes are a joy to wear. I've worn these for weeks and would still choose them over any other shoes in my closet. They perform best on indoor surfaces, paved paths, and beginner-friendly trails." Why we love it? From the moment you put them on, the Experience Flow 2 feels like an extension of your foot. The wide toe box allows toes to spread naturally, mimicking a barefoot experience, while the low heel drop maintains proper foot alignment. The EGO-P35 midsole cushions each step, absorbing impact and providing a springy boost for forward motion. Breathable and padded uppers enhance comfort, keeping your feet cool and snug throughout the day. This thoughtful combination of features makes walking more natural, supported, and enjoyable. Should you buy it? Yes. While the roomy toe box and low heel drop may feel unusual for those accustomed to traditional running shoes, these design choices are what make the Experience Flow 2 stand out. Once you adjust, you'll find it hard to go back. Lightweight, responsive, and incredibly comfortable, this shoe is a top choice for anyone who values natural movement and all-day comfort. Specifications. Weight: men's 10.58.79 ounces weight, women's 6.56.85 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 4 mm. Number 2. Ryka Devotion Plus 3 Women's. Who it's best for? The Ryka Devotion Plus 3 is an excellent choice for daily walkers who want comfort without breaking the bank. Designed specifically with women's feet in mind, this shoe delivers a thoughtful fit that balances a wider forefoot with a narrower heel cup. This design minimizes rubbing, prevents hot spots, and keeps your feet feeling comfortable even on longer walks. Whether you're a fitness walker or just taking daily strolls around the neighborhood, these shoes provide reliable support and a smooth, comfortable walking experience. Why we love it? From the very first wear after a brief break-in, the Devotion Plus 3 impressed with its consistent comfort. The contoured cushioning cradles your feet, keeping them secure while providing gentle support with every step. Even when the laces aren't fully tightened, you can slip your feet in hands-free, making them incredibly convenient for quick outings. Our tester shared, "These shoes ended up impressing me. I'll gladly throw these on for my daily walks." Lightweight and supportive, these shoes make walking effortless and enjoyable. Should you buy it? Absolutely. The Ryka Devotion Plus 3 offers exceptional value at a modest price point, often available for less than half the cost of premium walking shoes. They are also available in wide sizes for those needing extra room, making them an inclusive option for many walkers. Comfortable, affordable, and easy to wear, these shoes are perfect for anyone looking to enjoy their daily walks with minimal fuss. Specifications. Weight: women's 6.58.01 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 10 mm. Number 3. Under Armour Charged Assert 10. Who it's best for? The Under Armour Charged Assert 10 is an excellent choice for walkers seeking a budget-friendly shoe for everyday use. Perfect for short walks, running errands, or casual outings around town, it offers comfort without a hefty price tag. The shoe is particularly suited for those who tend to have warm feet, thanks to its excellent breathability, which keeps feet cool during wear. Lab tests and real-world use confirm that it performs well in warm conditions. While ideal for casual and short-distance walking, it may not be the best option for long walks or for individuals who need strong ankle stability. Why we love it? This shoe delivers well-rounded performance at an affordable price. Its compression-molded midsole absorbs impact effectively, providing a comfortable and balanced walking experience without feeling heavy or clunky. Testers also praised its dependable traction, with one noting, "Even on wet surfaces, I felt confident with my footing." The mesh upper promotes airflow, keeping feet cool and comfortable even during warmer days. Durability is another plus, as the shoe maintained its shape and support over extended testing, offering impressive longevity for its price point. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, affordable walking shoe for casual use or short distances, the charged Assert 10 is a strong contender. It may require a short break-in period for optimal comfort, and those needing extra ankle support might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a practical, breathable, and durable choice for everyday wear. Specifications. Weight, men's 10.5 11.14 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 10 mm. Number 4. Hoka Clifton 10 Women's. Who it's best for, the Hoka Clifton 10 is designed for anyone who needs superior cushioning and support for long days on their feet. If you often experience foot fatigue, ankle soreness, or discomfort from standing or walking on hard surfaces, this shoe offers a reliable solution. Ideal for fitness walkers, high-mileage walkers, or professionals who spend hours on their feet, the Clifton 10 provides the perfect balance of comfort and support, keeping your steps light and your feet happy throughout the day. Why we love it: from the first step, the Clifton 10 delivers a plush, cloud-like experience. Our tester, Becca Glades, said, "When I first put them on, I said wow over and over. It felt like I was standing on pillows specially made for my feet." Despite its thick midsole, the shoe maintains excellent stability thanks to a wide base that supports every step. The cushioned ride absorbs impact effectively, reducing strain on feet and joints, and the responsive midsole keeps your walking smooth and enjoyable. In all of our tests, the Clifton 10 consistently impressed, keeping our testing team's feet comfortable during extended wear. Should you buy it? If you're new to max cushion shoes, the larger stack height may feel unusual at first, but most walkers adjust within a few outings. For those who need extra support or simply want to enjoy walking or standing in comfort, these shoes are an excellent investment. They also work well for casual wear around town. While max cushion isn't for everyone, for those who appreciate a soft, supportive ride, the Hoka Clifton 10 is a top-tier choice. Specifications. Weight, women's 6.58.30 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 7 mm. Number 5. Hoka Transport Women's. Who it's best for, the Hoka Transport is designed for anyone who spends long hours on their feet or walks on a variety of surfaces. Offering a stable and comfortable ride without being overly plush, these shoes are perfect for extended wear. With a more rugged, hiking-inspired outsole, the Transport excels on dirt paths, gravel trails, and uneven terrain, making it a versatile choice for both urban walks and outdoor excursions. Fitness walkers, casual hikers, and those who encounter mixed surfaces regularly will benefit most from the shoe's thoughtful design. Why we love it: in testing, the Hoka Transport impressed with what we call Goldilocks cushioning, just the right amount of padding for all-day comfort without feeling too soft or heavy. Our lead tester, Mallory Page, shared, "From the moment I slipped on the Transport, I noticed its departure from Hoka's typically extra plush feel. During my 10,000-step walking test, these shoes offered exceptional comfort with zero break-in needed." The shoe's outsole provides reliable traction across different surfaces, while the midsole delivers balanced support for long walks, keeping your feet comfortable mile after mile. Its versatility and performance on multiple terrains make it a standout option in Hoka's lineup. Should you buy it? While the Hoka Transport comes at a higher price point, its durability and long-lasting comfort justify the investment. For walkers who frequently encounter outdoor paths or mixed surfaces, this shoe is a dependable and stable choice. Whether you're tackling urban streets, light trails, or gravel paths, the Transport delivers comfort, support, and reliability. Specifications. Weight, men's 10.5 11.96 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 9 mm. Weight, women's 6.58.92 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 7 mm.